I hope you are having a wonderful start to your day, wherever you are in the world. Today is another day, a new day, new beginning. I'm walking to the gym, but we took a quick ride on the metro. I am out of breath. Why is that? Walking in these streets like we are not in a pandemic, eh? Because I'm thinking about what to make for breakfast. Just finished the cardio, some cardio, and we're heading back home to have breakfast, right? Early morning, the sun is not up yet. So, Ginger's salary. I'm back in the building, and I am going to take a cold shower and start my day. Here at my desk, while I'm at my desk, I'm listening to a podcast and working. So I'm just sharing a little bit of this with you and the rest of my day. Okay. No, just the juice, but it was only for one serving.
Sabe que existe el peligro. Algunas veces ha levantado el teléfono por la noche y ha oído amenazas.
Recuerdo haber estado durmiendo y que mi mamá, a mí y a mi hermana nos sacara cuando mi viejo estaba
Taking a break, I'm gonna have lunch, and what I'm gonna prepare for lunch, well, I have it on the stove, so I'm gonna share what I'm gonna be preparing. So what I'm preparing here is chickpea with kale and bell pepper. Here in this we have apple, pineapple, kale and mint and ginger, and I am gonna be making a drink that is gonna go with the lunch I am making. Lunch Linner. I hope this tastes good. And if you like it, make it. So it's green apple, ginger, mint, kale, and pineapple. Out in the streets, taking in the sun, the afternoon sun. The afternoon sun always with this Boy, who's running ahead of me? I want to walk in the sun. Boy. Are you tired already, Hendy? Are you tired already? Big boy? What? Me pasa. I passed time with some friends and now I'm heading back to the house. Orale. To continue the rest of my day and show you what I get up to. Let's see how that goes. Beautiful. He's checking all his WhatsApp messages. Checking his messages. And look where he decided to rest his head. My boy. Work is over for today. I have done my work. And now I'm going to do yoga. Didn't have to go too far for my yoga. Handy. 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 ¿Listo? Sit. Muy bien. Sit. Sit, Handy. Bajo.
¿Qué tal? Son marquesitas, buenas tardes.
Marquesita.
Un postre originario de Yucatán.
¿De Yucatán?
Sí. Es como un cono de helado, pero más delgadito.
Ok.
Tienes que probarla.
Sí, están muy ricas. Llevan el tradicional queso de bola.
Ok. ¿Cuánto
adentro?
vale? Sí, yo quiero. ¿Cuánto?
45 pesitos con queso de bola.
Ok.
Listo.
Gracias.
Hola, ¿a qué clase estás hoy?
Hasta las 10 de la noche.
Perfecto.
Gracias.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Órale.
¿Nutella?
Nutella y cajetas.
Fui a Glorieta
Sí.
también.
¿Allá la vas a ir allá ahorita?
Sí, 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 sí.
Allá nos vemos.
Nos vemos. Is it possible to eat marquesa with this one here? No, Handy. I shouldn't be having sugar, but here I am having a street food snack that is originally from Yucatan called marquesa. En este árbol hay dos águilas, two eagles. Oh, let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, there's only one now, and he's right here. And there's 4 in total in the park, and they stay on this tree and then they go over, and here the nests are in this tree. Andy, Robo, he steal the balls from the other dogs. He's hiding it behind the banana. We had fun time in the park, and now we are heading home. Hendy is tired as hell. And that's it for my day. Stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.